How to pay for OnlyFans using Gcash. The first things first that you have to keep in mind that you won't be able to do this process unless you have a physical card from Gcash. If you don't have it yet, just simply open up or access your Gcash account and go to the key features and go ahead and request to have a physical card. Now, once you already have a card, then log into your OnlyFans account and head directly to this option here that says Add Card. And from here, if you already have a physical card, you should have the card number, the expiration date of the card, the CVC or the CVV code, and the name printed on the card. So just fill out these necessary forms like the country, your full address, and so on and so forth. Now, once everything is filled out, just tick this small box or small circle right here and click on submit. And that's it. That's basically how you can pay for OnlyFans using Gcash.